Welcome back. Now once you've taken care of the graphical elements in your channel, what you can do is you can click this button that says Customize Channel. When you click that button, it's going to take you to another view of your channel. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this gear. And you want to make sure that all of these settings are the way that you want them if you want to keep the default settings. Once you've done that, you'll then click Save. Now, the other thing you can do is you can then click the About area. When you click the About area, you're going to be able to add in some detail. For example, you're going to be able to customize your description. And again, you want to be aware that this description is going to also appear on YouTube for your channel. Once you've completed your description, you can then click Done. You can also write in a specific email where you want inquiries to go about your content. And so you can add that email here in this area. If you want to add in a support email, you can do that. Once you have your email address in, you can then click Done. You can also add links to your channel, and these can be promotional links. You can click this arrow, and you can add in custom links that will appear as icons on your channel. So for example, we can click in and put in a URL. Okay, what you'll note is that you can overlay on top of your custom art on your channel, so that means that they'll be clickable on top of the channel that your people will be seeing. And so once you have all of your sites in, you're then going to click Done. And then your content will then be available. And you'll also notice your icons here on top of your channel. You can also arrange your content on your channel. For example, what you can do is you can feature a certain video. You can add a heading and then click Save. You can also decide on which videos are going to appear. You can either have your latest activity or your latest upload. Once you've completed what you want your channel front to look like, you can then click Done. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.